Good morning, Kevin Thailand here. They were at the Central Festival, 10 a.m. It doesn't open until 11. Everything's shut. Some advice for you. You go out around Koh Samui, 10 a.m. in the morning, everywhere's closed. All the shop, everything. 10 o'clock, everything's shut still. Opens at 11. Lazy fuckers. But anyway, I found the AIS one-to-call shop. I'm going in there to have a rack. Sort this phone out, sort this hotspot shit out. And I'll catch you later. I'll be showing you around today, show you some shut places. Here's one, it's shut. Everyone's on the beach, no one walks about. The only thing rolling about out here during the day is tumbleweed. It's beach is lovely, beach bars. That's why the hotels and the beach bars, they've got it all during the day. They've got 90% of themselves. When you got beautiful beaches, who wants to fuck about round here? Another night they go to sleep, so they're too knackered from during the day and drunk. So bars might do well 2 months of the year here. The rest pretty empty. There's a couple that are manic, and the rest are just watching them or shutting up and joining them. But a beautiful place for couples. Take my advice. Don't come here with your mates. Come here with your bird. It's not that she'd let you go to Thailand with your mates, but tell her you're going to Koh Samui, she'll say, "Oh, that's all right then." Then go to Pattaya. I can't even get my favourite ride. I'll have to come back at 11. Koh Samui taxi drivers. They don't mess about. Hey, look at them. That's your taxis. Very old, yeah. When you see the big villas overlooking the bay, they belong to the taxi drivers. That's their houses. They are so expensive here. So unbelievable. They're saying to me, no, they're very old. Almost 6 months old now, very old. They reckon they're old, they're not, they're new shape. Brilliant information for you in Samui. When you come on holiday for 2 weeks with the missus, you've got your holdall, with your bit of gear in, your 3 pairs of shorts, 4 t-shirts and some pants. And she's got 5 suitcases, because she didn't know what she's going to wear. You get to your room, there's no room. 2 people, 1 suitcase, she's got 5. Come to the Central Festival, and just along the side here, so you'll come down into here, luggage storage services. You can put 4 of her cases in here, take one to your room, then as she needs one, you can swap them over. 50 baht. Information for you. Good information. Next door, you have the 30 Samui Club. From here, ferry, airport, catamaran, whatever that is, I think it's a catamaran. Fucking everywhere. They've got it covered. They've got everything covered everywhere. So, information for you. Always searching information. Good night. Information for you. When you come out, you don't bring your shaving foam, gel and stuff, because the problems on flights and stuff with all this cans of gear. So you think, I'll get the shaving foam gel when I get there. Samui is a lot of younger, what I would call kids. They ain't started shaving yet, and I'm I'm looking for, you can see, I'm looking for some shaving foam gel, and I can't find any. But they've got loads of they've got everything for acne. everything for acne, and no shaving foam, no shaving gel. So a good tip: hair conditioner will do the same. It really does. Hair conditioner, good for shaving. If you can't find shaving foam or gel, you get a bottle of air conditioner. But I can't find that either, and I've asked them. They said, "Sir, you ain't got any hair. You got very little. What's the point?" I said, "I want to shave." I'm going to struggle to find shaving gel. I'm going to struggle to find fucking anything here. So no shaving cream. Acne, you're all right. So the younger people, they have more acne. Acne oil control, good for acne. Shaving gel. It's going to be a dodgy shave today, but I've got to have one. More information. Here's a good tip for you. I did find in one shop shaving gel or foam. Can of shaving foam gel, 399 baht, nearly £8 for a can of shaving gel. Hair conditioner, 79 baht. Hair conditioner will work just as well as any shaving foam or gel. I've used it before, I'll use it again. I use it a lot. I'm such a cheap bastard. I use it a lot because they rip the arse out of you for shaving gel or foam. I've got 3 cans of shaving gel that people have left when they've gone back to England. They said, "Here Kev, do you want this?" I say, "Fucking not half." But yes, I do. Shaving cream gel out here, fortune. Hair conditioner, 79 baht, works just as well. Remember that before you waste your money. Yeah, how's that? Hair conditioner works just as good as shaving gel. 399 baht, 79 baht. Good, innit? All this information. Now, secondly, so this isn't an endorsement, I'm not advertising yet. Someone left behind, and I thank you very much, Nigel and Elizabeth. They left me some stuff. When I went back to the UK, I said, "Here, we got this over in about, take it. We can't put it on the airplane." But in it, they bought a brand new Fusion Gillette. This is the battery operated that vibrates. What a shame. I used to use the Mach 3, not anymore. Anyway, the information for this is, it has a vibrating head. So if you think your girlfriend's nicking your razor in the shower, change to that. When she puts it on vibrate, you'll hear, oh, in the shower. And then you know, yes, she's nicking your razor. More information, more tips. What more can I do? I'm brilliant. I'm brilliant. Gillette Fusion stops your girlfriend, saves your razors.